Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and this is my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C1500 that I just put a 4-inch rough country lift on. I also just got these Vision 84 D-window steel wheels in gloss black at the same time, but as you can see, they are missing their center caps. So here's my Vision D-window center caps. I got mine in chrome. Now, you know, I'm going for a whole dark theme. I've got a black bumper on the truck. The wheels are black. I love the dark red paint. I just put this bumper from Rough Country on the truck. I'm actually waiting for another bracket. The bracket they sent me, I can't get a screw in on that. That's a whole nother story. But I'm going for this whole dark look. But the reason why I'm going with the chrome center caps is because I was told that the black center caps, they are more susceptible to the corrosion and the rust and stuff. So I thought I'd go with the chrome center caps, and you know, I guess there'll be a little bit of shine on the truck. So these center caps are a push-through design, so the wheel has to come off the truck. So let's go down to Les Schwab and get these center caps put on the truck. All right guys, we're here at Les Schwab. I've got my Vision D window center caps in chrome because they're supposed to last better, and I don't mind a little bit of bling on the truck. So let me go inside, get all checked in, and get this truck, get these put on the truck. All right, we got all checked in. While we're waiting for them to come grab the truck, let's talk about how good it looks. I mean, it is super shiny. I keep this truck looking better than most new cars. I'll put a link in the description below to my Grio's G9 video where I put the buffer on this thing and really detailed it, and it's come out fantastic. I do basically spiff it up every other day though to keep it this shiny. Future plans, I just got my reproduction grill from LMC Truck. It just came in. It just came in, as did my side markers and my corner lights. I got that all brand new because that's gonna match my new brand new lower grill here and bumper. I have a video to that. All the videos to this truck that I think are relevant, you might want to check out, I'll put down in the description below. So I'm gonna get that painted black. I gotta get some black spray paint for that. I just recently put on these side mirrors, and I love these bad boys. Okay, here comes the guy. All right, truck looks good. I don't really get a chance to see it moving. I'm always in it when it's driving. All right, so there it is, back in the same spot it was when it had the wheels put on just the other week. All right, they're lifted it up just high enough so they can get all the wheels off. Like I said, the push-through design, this should be relatively a pretty quick process, I think. Well, that looked easy enough, didn't it? A lot of work just to get that to push through, huh? Yeah. Looks awesome. While we're waiting on my truck to get done, look at that other sweet OBS Chevy truck with a bunch of hay in the back, looking tight and sounding quite nice. Let's get a good look at that. I like that. Oh, it's too bad we didn't get a good look at that. We might be done. Bet she's gonna set it down here. We'll find out. Probably done here. Nice. Good deal. Yeah, put it back down on the ground. Nice, look, it barely even went down. Maybe I should ask him to check the air while I'm here. The lift seems stuck. He's trying to take it up. The lift wouldn't go down. Let's try it now. Let's see. Oh no, the lift won't go down. Oh no. One of the guys say one of these Chevys get stuck on the cross support all the time. It just popped loose. It was stuck. Yep. Let's back it out. All right guys, the truck looks pretty good. The center caps look nice. He checked the tire pressure. That's all good. I mean, the tires just got put on last week. So, yeah, nice. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, we're back from Les Schwab. My center caps are on my Vision D window wheels. By the way, these wheels are 17x8 if you're curious. And I think it looks great. Yeah, maybe the black center caps might have looked a little bit better, because I do plan on taking off all this chrome strip, and I plan on taking off all this molding and just run it with the paint on there. I think it'll look really, really good. And if later on I think the chrome is too much, I'll go ahead and put black lug nuts and I'll put the black center caps on there. But for now, I'm gonna call this complete for now. Take a look at the other side. Got a little sun on this side. Look at the twinkle on those wheels. Beautiful. Now it's time for this truck to go in for some service. All this stuff was money spent on fun. The lift kit, the wheels, the tires. Now it's time to spend money on actual servicing things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. A lot more to do on this Chevy truck. One last thing to do. We got to pull these little clear protective covers off the Vision logo in the center. Now we're all done. These 17x8 Vision D window wheels in gloss black with the chrome center caps look fantastic. Really happy with the truck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.